Hi, my name is Dan with DroneBlog.com. Today we'll be walking through charging the Mini 3 Pro batteries and remote controller. After receiving the Mini 3 Pro, it's important to charge all batteries before using them, whether this is the drone batteries or the remote controller batteries. Unlike previous DJI drones, the Mini 3 Pro doesn't include a power adapter. So for the quickest charging speeds, it's recommended that you purchase a 30-watt DJI charger. Now with the 30-watt charger, you'll be able to charge a controller through the battery hub as well as the drone's batteries. In the following steps, we'll walk through charging the DJI RC and RCN1 with a single charger. Further on, we will demonstrate charging individual Mini 3 Pro batteries, as well as the DJI remote controller along with the Mini 3 Pro batteries in the charging hub. Now for the first step, using the included DJI USB-C cable, we're going to attach the cable to a USB-C charger and plug the charger into your power source. Now the USB-C charger doesn't have to be a DJI branded 30-watt charger. Any 30-watt charger will be the fastest charging device for the drone batteries and controller. Next, we'll plug the USB-C cable into either the DJI RC or RCN1 controller. The lights on the controller will blink, showing that they are charging. Using a 12-volt charger, the DJI RC and RCN1 will take approximately 2 hours to charge from 0%. Subsequently, if a 15-volt charger is used, the RC will fully charge from 0% in just about 1.5 hours. Now for step 3, after charging is completed, we'll remove the USB-C cable from the remote controller. If you'd like to check the amount of power the remote controller has at any given time, just simply press the power button once, and the LEDs will alert you to the remaining battery level. We'll move on next to charging a single battery. If you purchase the Mini 3 Pro and controller only combo, then only one battery will be included. This normally the standard battery. To charge the single battery that came with the Mini 3 Pro, it must be done so within the Mini 3 Pro drone itself. As with the RC, attach the included USB-C cable to a USB-C charger and plug the charger into your outlet or power strip. Next, we'll insert your Mini 3 Pro drone battery into the Mini 3 Pro. We'll now plug the USB-C cable into the Mini 3 Pro. The lights on the drone will blink, showing that it is charging. Now after the Mini 3 Pro is completely fully charged, we're going to unplug it from the USB-C cable. When charging the batteries, while inserted into the Mini 3 Pro, it'll take 64 minutes or so to fully charge each standard battery and 101 minutes to charge the Plus version batteries. You might notice that there's no way to check how much battery percentage is left on the battery when it's not plugged into the Mini 3 Pro. Now if you only have one battery and not the charging hub, you'll have to do either of the following. The first, press the power button once on the Mini 3 Pro, with the battery inserted of course, or alternatively, while in live view on your RC, check the upper right hand side of the screen for the drone's current battery percentage. Charging via the two-way charging hub. Now, the two-way charging hub in the Mini 3 Flymore combo allows you to charge 3 intelligent flight batteries, whether the standard or Plus version of the batteries, along with your DJI RC or RCN1 controller. The charging is done sequentially, meaning that the drone battery with the highest battery level will be charged first, and then the others, followed by the remote controller. To charge 3 batteries in the remote controller, you'll want to insert your Mini 3 batteries into the charging hub. You should have 2 DJI USB-C cables. There was the one that came with the Mini 3 Pro, and then another that came with the Flymore combo. For the second step, we want to plug one of the USB-C cables into the USB-C charger. Now we'll plug the other end into the charging hub. After this, we'll plug the charger into an outlet. For the third step, we'll take the second USB-C cable and plug the USB cable, this time the USB end, into the charging hub. For the fourth step, we're going to take the second cable and plug it into the remote controller. Your Mini 3 Pro batteries and the remote controller will all charge sequentially until all the batteries have been fully charged. When all 3 batteries are charged through the charging hub using a 30-watt USB-C charger, it will take about 57 minutes to fully charge each standard battery and 77 minutes to charge the Plus version batteries. To quickly check how much battery life is left on the batteries in the charging hub, simply press the button on the side of the charging hub once, and all the LEDs under the batteries connected to the hub will light up with the respective battery percentage. Now here's a very important tip. That is to avoid over-discharging the Mini 3 Pro batteries. Over-discharging the batteries can cause damage to the battery and reduce its overall capacity. To prevent over-discharging, it is recommended to keep the battery level above 20% when stored and not in use. That's all for this video, folks. If you find these types of video tutorials useful, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel.